OU Bobcats, the number one party school in the nation.
Wow. I didn't know. I don't know. I didn't go to college.
So when I went there, I ended up knowing a lot more people than I thought when I went there. So they had a variety show. And a couple high school friends of mine, and we formed a lip sync group doing New Edition. We went by the name New Style. It was just for fun, having fun. Okay. And we was winning the talent shows. So there was a guy there who said, if you guys could sing for real, I can get you a record deal. So that pumped up. I could sing for real, but the other guys were just lip syncing and having fun. But it pumped us up to get serious about it. So New Style actually became a serious group. And then now where the signing aspect came in, Troop came to our school in 90 when they were hot. They had Spread My Wings and all of that. So I had befriended Rodney and Troop. Yeah, it became cool. So my little group in college, we shot a music video, and when Troop came to Cleveland with Hammer, I took the videotape down there to give it to him, which Dave Tolliver was working for the radio station. Right. He's like, I'm gonna take this back and give it to him. So somewhere in the transaction, their valet got a hold of the tape. Okay. The valet was the right-hand man to the guy who signed Troop. Okay. And if you watch their Unsung, they was having problems with their management at the time. Okay. So when the guy seen our tape, they called us and wanted to sign us and place the Troop because they was having problems with them. So we actually did. I still got the contracts in my drawer.
You know what's crazy? Did that cause friction between y'all?
No, because Troop has no idea. They had no idea that this happened. Okay. But they sent us contracts, and they sent us all these songs that had Troop singing on them.
Wanted y'all to redo them.
Wanted us to redo them. And what happened was the contracts we didn't like. Okay. So we rewrote the contracts and signed our version of the contracts and sent it to them, which they didn't like. So
at least y'all knew the business.
Well, I had older brothers.
Most people would have just, hey.
That's where the dentist and my brother Danny come in, because I took them contracts to them. Most people don't look at the contracts; they just sign them. So we was cool with it.
I said, I know,
we was cool with it, but we just changed a couple little things, and they got mad about that. So, so that's as far as it went. Because in order for them to fly us to Cali, we had to sign them contracts, which is another thing I learned over the years, the old rush job thing.
Yeah, that's to get you to go and clock in, so we can.
Yep. So
get you
all five of those, it's 5 of us. All of the signature contracts is in my trunk with our signatures on it.
Right. Yeah.